Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that touches the heart of every relationship: emotional intimacy. It's something we all long for, that deep connection with another soul. But how do you create it? What does it really mean to be emotionally intimate with someone? Stay tuned as we explore why it's so crucial for a healthy and fulfilling partnership. We'll uncover the secrets to building lasting love and connection. Chapter 1: The Foundation of Emotional Intimacy. When I think about the most successful relationships, the ones that truly stand the test of time, it all comes down to one fundamental element: emotional intimacy. It's the bedrock, the very foundation upon which love and connection thrive. But what exactly is emotional intimacy? It's about creating a safe space where you and your partner can truly be yourselves, where you can let your guards down and share your deepest thoughts, feelings, and vulnerabilities without fear of judgment. It's about feeling seen, heard, and understood at the deepest level. When you have that kind of intimacy, it creates a bond that's unbreakable. It's like having a best friend, a confidant, and a lover all rolled into one. Chapter 2: Trust and Security. Trust is the lifeblood of any relationship, wouldn't you agree? And emotional intimacy is the wellspring from which trust flows. When you feel emotionally safe with your partner, when you know they'll be there for you no matter what, it creates an unshakable foundation of trust. You know you can confide in them, that they'll hold your heart with care, and that they'll always have your back. This kind of trust allows you to be your most authentic self, to let go of the masks we often wear in the world, and to embrace the freedom of being truly known and loved for who we are. Chapter 3: The Heart-to-Heart Connection. I always say, communication is key. And when it comes to emotional intimacy, it's the bridge that connects two hearts. But it's not just about talking. It's about truly listening, about being present with your partner, and about creating a space where open and honest dialogue can flow freely. It's about sharing your joys and sorrows, your dreams and fears, and everything in between. And it's about being receptive to your partner's experiences, even when they're different from your own. Chapter 4: More Than Meets the Eye. Now let's talk about physical intimacy. It's a beautiful expression of love and connection, but it's so much more fulfilling when it's rooted in emotional intimacy. When you feel deeply connected to your partner on an emotional level, it ignites a spark that transforms physical touch into something truly magical. It becomes an expression of the deep love, trust, and vulnerability you've cultivated in your relationship. It's not just about the act itself. It's about the emotional connection that flows between you, making every touch, every embrace, a celebration of your love. Chapter 5: Navigating the Storms Together. Let's be real. Every relationship faces its share of challenges. Disagreements are inevitable, but it's how you navigate those choppy waters that determine the strength of your bond. Emotional intimacy equips you with the tools to resolve conflicts constructively. When you have that deep understanding of each other's feelings, when you can approach disagreements with empathy and compassion, you can turn conflicts into opportunities for growth. Chapter 6: Blossoming Together. One of the most beautiful aspects of emotional intimacy is its power to foster personal growth. When you're in a relationship where you feel safe and supported, you're more likely to step outside of your comfort zone, to pursue your passions, and to become the best version of yourself. Your partner becomes your biggest cheerleader, your constant source of encouragement, and a mirror that reflects back to you your own strength and resilience. Chapter 7: The Ties That Bind. I've always believed that relationships are the greatest adventures we can embark on in life. But like any great adventure, it requires effort, commitment, and a willingness to weather the storms together. Emotional intimacy is the compass that guides you. the anchor that keeps you grounded, and the fuel that keeps the flame of love burning bright. It's the secret sauce, the magic ingredient that transforms ordinary relationships into extraordinary love stories. Chapter 8. Signs of lack of emotional intimacy, recognizing the red flags. Now, it's important to recognize the signs of emotional disconnection in a relationship. Feeling constantly misunderstood, unheard, or emotionally alone, even when you're physically together, can be a sign that emotional intimacy is lacking. If communication has broken down, if you find yourselves constantly arguing or withdrawing from each other, it's essential to address these issues before they fester and create a bigger divide. Chapter 9. Building and maintaining emotional intimacy. Cultivating connection. So how do we cultivate this deep sense of emotional intimacy? Well, it starts with making a conscious effort to create space for connection. Dedicate quality time for each other, even if it's just a few minutes each day to put down your phones, turn off the TV, and truly focus on each other. Make an effort to understand each other's love languages, the specific ways you each feel loved and appreciated. Chapter 10. Real-life examples, stories of love and connection. I remember interviewing a couple on the show once, and they had been married for over 50 years. Their love for each other was palpable, and when I asked them about their secret to a lasting relationship, they said it was simple. They never stopped dating each other. They made it a priority to keep the spark alive, to surprise each other, and to always make each other feel special. Emotional intimacy, the key to lasting love. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, emotional intimacy is the key to a lasting and loving relationship. It's about creating a space where you and your partner can truly be yourselves, where you can share your deepest thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment. It's about feeling seen, heard, and understood at the deepest level. See you next time.